Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You remember that flood escape video that got lots of views thanks to Algodoo Marblez over here? Yeah, we're gonna do the 17.2 version, which is basically the same thing, but it's a bit tweaked. Let's see who wins this time. I'm voting for Lion. I hope Lion wins. I really hope Lion wins. My favorite color. What do you think is gonna win? Bank was the ladder coming up first. Yeah, okay. A lot of people just chose to skip the ladder. Smart decision, considering though, it's gonna get pressed either way, so I'm just getting head starts. I knew one would win. Nope, I mean, look, he's in the lead, and the acid's coming upwards. How is he not gonna win? Him and Pink. I don't know what. Did I just guess the gender of my favorite color? No, wait, no, I should have said anything. I should not have said anything. I shouldn't. Pink just died. Okay, now, wait, okay. This is oh, my thing just got pushed off. Okay, who's gonna win now? Who do you think is gonna win? Okay. Pink is definitely Jackson. Is it magenta? I'm not good with colors. Purple's going upwards already. So that's one. I'm guessing you need to press the other one. Pink already has a head start. Oh no. No. Oh come on, purple. Can't let pink win. Come on. Okay. Like I prefer purple, but just come on, just make it. You can do this. Okay, so they both made it. That was actually pretty intense there. And my favorite color just died. Did your favorite color win? Anyways, please go watch his videos made by Algodoo Marblez. If you want to see more of these kinds of videos, click the like button and subscribe. Oh, and comment your favorite color and if it won or not.